I do think it is interesting how you are able to add anyone from Trovo as a moderator. Welcome back everyone to Articskyfox's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about role managers. How do you add a role manager? What's the point of a role manager? And so much more. Alright, so first off, you're going to want to be in your studio on Trovo. And then you're going to want to go ahead and go up here where it says moderators. You got 1 of 30 depending on what level you are on Trovo. As you see, I have Luna Ray Wolf Goddess on here as a moderator. She was mod 1 day ago, and I have actions here. I can remove her by simply hitting this. I have roles here, and you get only 1 role right now, and this is the moderator role. Hopefully they add other roles in here, maybe a VIP section, all-star section, whatever it may be. This is where the roles will be found. So how do you add somebody? Click add. The thing is, this is very interesting. You don't have to have a random follower following your Trovo account. You could pick anyone. So let's pick Z. And it shows up with millions of different users. You could have them moderating you. Now, this is an interesting concept. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Let me know what you think about this. You could go to U and put UD. And then you get, like, let's just put E. And then we could put this guy here. Let's say we want to mod this guy right here. I could go ahead and do that. He could come down here and be a moderator. And then if I want to save it, I could go ahead and hit save. But for this sake, for this tutorial, I'm just showing you how to do it. He's not going to be a moderator. And then if you don't want it, you just hit cancel. And again, if you don't want them to be moderator, you hit X, give them hopefully a future role that's going to show up in here. Maybe it's VIP, all-stars, whatever it may be, custom roles. You're going to find it right here. And then you're going to go ahead and hit save. And then that's how you're going to add these role managers. Right now, only moderator is available and so forth. I do think it is interesting how you are able to add anyone from Trovo as a moderator. And you don't have to be a follower, you don't have to be a subscriber, you don't have to be anything. You could just choose from a list. They don't have to be following you to get that role. So that is a very interesting concept. I'm not sure how I feel about that. I am interested in knowing what you guys think about it. Is it a great feature to have that? Should they be following you or subscribing? I'm interested in your thoughts generally and how you feel about that. On Twitch, you kind of had somebody who had to kind of like follow you or subscribe to you to get that perk and everything. And I guess you could have had that on Twitch. I've never really thought about it on Twitch. Just adding anyone. I've never even gone that route, and it just made me think of, hey, is this a smart way to do it? You know, it's just something I've never really thought of because it made me think, because I could add somebody. And I was looking for my moderator here, and I was typing her name out, and then I noticed just by doing LU, I was like, wait, I could choose anyone from here and everything. On Twitch, I just typed the name in chat, and, you know, it kind of made them mod and everything. Or I went to the section on Twitch, and I also had that option, but this just made me think a little bit more. What do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section. I am genuinely interested in your thoughts, and I'm going to leave the video here as how you do this. And I hope you join me in the next video.